Hello everyone, my name is Malika.
And I am Ujjwal Mishra from Gem Panther team at Prolifix. Today, we will be showcasing a Panther Online Helpdesk 2019 release, which is Spider. Now, the first question arises for our viewers that what is Spider? Spider is a web-based incident tracking system designed by Prolifix. The prime role of Spider is to register, update, and handling of customers' open problem reports that we call as OPRs. Spider provides 24/7 support for all of our Jam, Panther, XML Link, and XUG customers. There are various technologies which we have used for the development of a Spider application. Some of them I mentioned here. We used our own Panther 551 web broker for the development of this application. Spider is a Panther servlet application running on Apache Tomcat 8.5. We are also balancing the load using Tomcat HTTP Server 2.4. To provide interactive look, we have used Bootstrap in the menu navbar section. This help desk used jQuery technology to provide the alerts mechanism at various conditions in the application. We have also used HTML templates and CSS that integrated with the Panther screen, which provide it a fancy look. Now Molka will show the live demo.
Thanks Ujjwal. Okay, so now we will see how our new Panther help desk looks like, and we'll also see how it will help you to report your problem. So let me show you our Panther web application, that is Spider. So you can access this application by calling in the URL profeps.prolifix.com. Okay, so this is our first Panther screen, which will allow you to sign in to the Spider application. So before we get into the application, let's understand how this page has been designed. As Ujjwal already mentioned, we are using Bootstrap menus. As you can see here, this menu bar has been designed using Bootstrap's navbar classes. Okay, and we are also using Bootstrap classes to focus these buttons. Okay, so here if I click on the sign on button without entering any data in the field above, it will pop up a dialog box. This is a jQuery dialog box which does the client-side validation for these fields. Okay. If I leave it blank, it will notify me that I must enter some value here. Okay. So now let us see how can we use this application to report our problems. To use this application, we need to register ourselves by clicking on Create Account button. So to register yourself, click on Create Account button. So it will land you to this page. Here you need to provide some information like you need to set a username to access this application, the password, more information about you, and the main thing is your company's Prolifix customer ID and the serial number. You need to provide this information here, then click on continue. Okay, for any help, you can click on the help button. So this will create an account for you to log in to this application. Okay, so now let's try to sign in to this application. So let's assume I have an account here. Okay, so this is the username and password. Now I'm clicking on the sign on button. Okay, don't save this. Okay, so now I'm inside the Spider application. So here are some useful links which will like if you want to read about the documentation about the product, or you want to know more about the Prolifix website, you can click on these links, or you can contact us by sending us an email. You can click here for more suggestions. Click here. Okay, so now let's see what is open problem reports. Okay, so here you can see we have a list of all the reports which have been reported here. All the problem reports, like 22 problem reports we found. Okay. Or you can also do a search for the problem by typing in the OPR number, which is this. Okay, you can filter it by the status of that OPR, then click on the search button. So let's try this. 1903 03 24 00. Do a search. Okay, so now here you can filter it by this. So now let's see if you want to update this OPR. Click here on the update button, and here you can lay out the comments, whatever you want to update here. Then click on the update OPR button. Okay, hope it is clear. Now if you want to create a new OPR, click on the new OPR button here. Okay, so here you need to provide some information like the platform, the version of the product, the type of the issue, and so on. Here you can type in the summary like cannot open product. Okay, and here you need to you can provide the description of your issue like Panther crashes when running a report. So like this, you can provide information and then click on the submit OPR button. Okay, so this will create an OPR for you with an OPR number by today's date. Okay, so now we'll see what is bug information. So when you click on this bug information, you can see the list of bug reports or the bugs which were found in the product, and you have been given a patch for that. So you can see the list of the bugs here. Okay, and also you can do a search and filter it by keywords and the specific bug areas like the database or the web reports and so on. Okay, and you can click on the search. Hope it is clear to you. So now if you want to update any information like phone number, email address, or the fax number, so you can update it here. Click on the save button. Or if you don't want to make any changes, then click on the reset button. It will set it back to the previous information. So this is all about the Spider application. Okay, if you still don't understand the functionality of the screens and you need help, click on the main help button. It will explain you what each screens does. Okay, so you can understand the functionality of each screen by clicking on main help. Then close this. Okay, so this is all about the Panther web application. Hope this video will help you to report your problems, your bugs on product. Thank you.
If you have any questions, please put them into comment section below, or you can email us at support@pearlfix.com. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel.